Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting real data. Record a short speaking sample and listen back. Note the 3 fillers you use most and where they appear. Once done, commit to 2 specific first actions. Mark timestamps where fillers occur and practice inserting a half-second silent pause instead. This isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and tiny experiments. Make sure to keep the recordings for comparison and set a simple goal. Reduce filler use by 1 noticeable instance per minute. You now move into deliberate practice. Choose a short script or talking point and shadow it aloud, intentionally avoiding fillers. Practice in 30 to 60-second blocks so you stay focused. Use a tactile cue, tap your finger or press a knuckle, to trigger a pause when you feel a filler rising. Once comfortable, run quick rehearsals before calls or meetings. This transfers the habit into real contexts. Keep feedback loops. Record, review, adjust. Over time, the pause replaces the filler, and your speech gains clarity. You complete the process by building maintenance into your routine. Schedule weekly reviews and compare newer recordings with initial ones to track progress. If you see a spike in fillers, troubleshoot by simplifying your message or deliberately slowing your speaking rate by 10 to 20%. Complexity and speed invite fillers. Make sure to celebrate small wins and set the next micro goal, like 1 fewer filler per minute. Finally, keep practicing brief, focused sessions so the improvement sticks and becomes natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.